น้อมមកជូនដោយ
ទីព្យាបាលមាត់ធ្មេញសុកជាផ្ដល់ជូនសេវាថែទាំមាត់ធ្មេញប្រកបដោយគុណភាពសុវត្ថិភាពនិងទំនុកចិត្តខ្ពស់ចំពោះក្រុមគ្រួសារលោកអ្នក
សហការផលិតដោយ My Cat Film ផ្ដល់ជូនសេវាកម្មផលិតវីដេអូនិងថតរូបគ្រប់ប្រភេទ
ទីព្យាបាលមាត់ធ្មេញសុកជាផ្ដល់ជូនសេវាថែទាំមាត់ធ្មេញប្រកបដោយគុណភាពសុវត្ថិភាពនិងទំនុកចិត្តខ្ពស់ចំពោះក្រុមគ្រួសារលោកអ្នកមន្ទីរព្យាបាលធ្មេញ Jordan Petra ស្នាមញញឹមរបស់លោកអ្នកជាកាតព្វកិច្ចរបស់យើងខ្ញុំ BHUSRI is our application
សូមជម្រាបសួរសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់កម្មវិធីសុខភាពមាត់ធ្មេញរបស់ cngTV ក្នុងសប្តាហ៍នេះយើងនឹងលើកយកប្រធានបទដែលតាក់ទងជាមួយថាហេតុអ្វីបានជាយើងត្រូវចាំបាច់ពុតធ្មេញចាមុននឹងចូលដល់ក្នុងកម្មវិធីយើងក៏សូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណដល់ដៃគូសកម្មផលិតមាន My Cat Film មន្ទីរព្យាបាលមាត់ធ្មេញសុកជានិងមន្ទីរព្យាបាលមាត់ធ្មេញ Jordan Petra ចំពោះសប្តាហ៍នេះយើងនឹងជួបជាមួយនឹងតនបណ្ឌិតដែលគាត់នឹងចូលរួមបកស្រាយនៅចំណេះដឹងតាក់ទងនឹងហេតុអ្វីយើងចាំបាច់ត្រូវពុតធ្មេញចាអញ្ចឹងយើងនឹងទៅជួបជាមួយនឹងតនបណ្ឌិតដែលគាត់គឺជាតនបណ្ឌិតធ្វើការនៅមន្ទីរព្យាបាលមាត់ធ្មេញសុកជាផងដែរចាសូមជម្រាបសួរតនបណ្ឌិតសូមតនបណ្ឌិតធ្វើការណែនាំខ្លួនដល់ទស្សនិកជនឲ្យបានជ្រាបផងដែរចា
Hello, myself Dr. NAVDEEP, or you can call me Dr.NAVY. I am the head of Orthodontic department here at Sokchia Dental Clinic.
ចាអញ្ចឹងចូលដល់ប្រធានបទដែលតាក់ទងថាហេតុអ្វីយើងចាំបាច់ពុតធ្មេញនាងខ្ញុំក៏មានសំណួរសួរទៅកាន់តបណ្ឌិតថាតើការពុតធ្មេញគឺជាអ្វីចា
All right. So orthodontics is a subspecialty or a specialty of dentistry in which we study the development of the jaws and of the face and also treat the problems related to the teeth and the jaw.
ចាអរគុណតបណ្ឌិតចាចូលដល់សំណួរបន្តថាហេតុអ្វីបានជាយើងត្រូវចាំបាច់ធ្វើការពុតធ្មេញ
So as we know that a door is the entrance to a home, in the same way our mouth is the entrance to our body. So a good and healthy mouth leads to a good and healthy body. So in orthodontics we usually take care of the alignment of the jaws and how your teeth bite and also your smile. The question, why do we need to do braces, is a very, very important question. The answer to this is, if your teeth are not straight, you will not be able to clean them well. If your teeth are not straight, the food will get stuck. Whatever you will eat will get stuck here and there, which will lead to bad breath. If your teeth are not straight, you will not be confident enough to smile. You will not be confident enough to make new friends. It leads to you having good confidence, psychological well-being, good health, good smile. So there are many, many benefits of orthodontic treatment. Not only good smile, but also good health, good bite, good function.
ចាអញ្ចឹងដោយអ្វីដែលតបណ្ឌិតគាត់បានជម្រាបខាងលើអញ្ចឹងសំណួរដែលនាងខ្ញុំឬក៏ទស្សនិកជនចង់ដឹងបន្ថែមថាតើកត្តាប្រឈមមុខអ្វីខ្លះប្រសិនបើយើងមិនទទួលយកការពុតធ្មេញចា
For braces treatment we usually have two categories of patients. One which really need the treatment, means which are really in an emergency need of treatment. For example, if we have a kid whose development of the jaw or the growth is not going in a right direction, it is our job as an orthodontic specialist to correct that direction of the growth and therefore help the kid jaw and face to grow properly and give them a good bite and good function. So that kind of patients require the treatment immediately, should not wait too long. And the second category of patients are the ones who are already adult and who just need the orthodontic treatment so that they can look better for aesthetic purpose. In that kind of case, we can wait, is not emergency. So some cases we really tell the patients and the parents that if you wait, we will lose the time for the growth for the kid. But some patients, we just tell them that it's okay if you delay a bit, year, 2 years, 3 years, it is not emergency. So it really depends on the age of the patient and the kind of the treatment that the patient requires. If we do not do treatment for the kids who really need the treatment in an emergency situation, then we will lose that time that we can actually use to help them to achieve their goal. But if a patient does not require emergency treatment, only needs it for aesthetic purpose, yes, we can wait a bit. For them, if they don't get the treatment immediately, it's still okay.
ចាសូមអរគុណលោកតបណ្ឌិតចាសំណួរជាបន្ទាប់យើងពាក់ព័ន្ធនឹងការតើការពុតថ្មីហ្នឹងវាមានការរំខានឬក៏មានការឈឺចាប់ដែរឬទេ
Braces treatment or orthodontic treatment is not really very painful. If I say it's not painful at all, it will be a lie. It is a bit hard. It feels a little bit heavy when we have braces and wires. Why? Because the braces and wires are moving the teeth inside the bone. So we cannot say that it does not cause pain or it does not feel difficult. Yes, it is a bit harder as compared to before because now your teeth are moving. So it's difficult to eat food. It's a little bit heavier feeling as compared to before. But it really depends on the skills and the treatment, the way the specialists do your treatment. So for us, we try to use very, very light forces and very light wires in the beginning, so the patient does not really feel much difference with or without braces. The only thing I would suggest the patient would feel a little bit different is that before you did not have brackets, and suddenly now your mouth has a lot of wires and brackets. So your mouth, your tongue will take a few days to get used to the appliance, to the new things in the mouth. And also, when we give you instructions to eat soft food, to eat special diet, and to avoid certain kind of food, that will also help you to avoid that kind of pain. So, yes, with braces, it's a bit difficult, but if you follow the instructions, and with the skills and the expertise of your orthodontic specialist, your treatment will go on without any problems.
ចាសូមអរគុណហើយជាសំណួរបន្ទាប់គឺយើងចង់ដឹងពីអាយុវិញម្ដងតើអាយុប្រមាណដែលយើងអាចទទួលយកការពុតថ្មិញបានចា
All right. So for the orthodontic treatment, the age is not a restriction. When we start the treatment early for kids, I usually suggest parents to bring them as early as 7 or 8-year-old for a checkup, not really for a treatment, so that if the growth of the kid is not going in the right direction, we have time for treating them and bringing them on the right direction of growth. For adults, there is no limitation of age. For adults, it really depends if their health and if their bone level is good. We can do orthodontic treatment or braces treatment at any age. The oldest patients that I have for orthodontic treatment was 60 plus, around 60 years old. So if your health is good, if you don't have any other problems like diabetes or hypertension, no age restriction. Any age is okay to get beautiful smile and good teeth.
ចាជាចុងក្រោយលោកតបណ្ឌិតមានអនុសាសន៍អ្វីខ្លះដើម្បីចែករំលែកទៅដល់ទស្សនិកជនចា
So when it comes to suggestions for my patients, there is one very important thing that I want to talk about, which I observed here in Cambodia. So for our patients, we as specialists, myself as a doctor, I treat my patients as my own family. So I would not want to bring my child to a practice which is not very confident and which does not use good quality products. Very, very good quality materials. Most of our orthodontic products are imported from US or from Europe under American orthodontics. So I would want my kids to get treatment from a clinic which uses good quality products. And when we say good quality products, it comes at a price. And do not worry about the cost of the orthodontic treatment because the payment terms are very flexible. You don't have to pay all the treatment charge at one time. We divide the whole treatment cost within 2 to 3 years of time. So it's very easy for everyone to pay. And if anyone has any financial issues, you can just directly come and talk to us. We have many options we give to our patients for their treatment because like I said, we treat our patients like our family. And again, second suggestion, with braces, you need to understand that you need to keep your teeth clean better as compared to before. Without braces, brush twice. With braces, you have to brush and clean after every time we eat food.
ចាពីកម្មវិធីក៏សូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណដល់តមណ្ឌិតដែលបានចំណាយពេលវេលាដ៏មានតម្លៃក្នុងការចូលរួមបកស្រាយពីប្រធានបទចាខ្ញុំក៏សូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណដល់ដៃគូសហការផលិតផងដែរមាន My Card Film មន្ទីរព្យាបាលមាត់ធ្មេញសុកជានិងមន្ទីរព្យាបាលមាត់ធ្មេញ Jordan Petra ពីកម្មវិធីរបស់យើងខ្ញុំក៏សូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណដល់ទស្សនិកជនដែលបានចំណាយពេលវេលាក្នុងការចូលរួមទស្សនាកម្មវិធីរបស់ cngTV ក្រុមការងារក៏នឹងលើកយកនៅប្រធានបទថ្មីៗជាច្រើនទៀតដើម្បីមកចែកជូនដល់ទស្សនិកជនឲ្យបានជឿកាន់តែច្បាស់ពីការថែទាំមាត់ធ្មេញនៅសប្តាហ៍ក្រោយពីកម្មវិធីរបស់យើងខ្ញុំក៏សូមអរគុណសូមជម្រាបលា
នាំមកជូនដោយ
ទីព្យាបាលមាត់ធ្មេញសុកជាផ្ដល់ជូនសេវាថែទាំមាត់ធ្មេញប្រកបដោយគុណភាពសុវត្ថិភាពនិងទំនុកចិត្តខ្ពស់ចំពោះក្រុមគ្រួសារលោកអ្នក
សហការផលិតដោយ My Card Film ផ្ដល់ជូនសេវាកម្មផលិតវីដេអូនិងថតរូបគ្រប់ប្រភេទ
ទីព្យាបាលមាត់ធ្មេញសុកជាផ្ដល់ជូនសេវាថែទាំមាត់ធ្មេញប្រកបដោយគុណភាពសុវត្ថិភាពនិងទំនុកចិត្តខ្ពស់ចំពោះក្រុមគ្រួសារលោកអ្នកមន្ទីរព្យាបាលធ្មេញ Jordan Petra ស្នាមញញឹមរបស់លោកអ្នកជាកាតព្វកិច្ចរបស់យើងខ្ញុំ BHUSRI is our application
បីងាយស្រួលក្នុងការតាមដានទស្សនានៅរាល់វីដេអូថ្មីៗសូមចុច like Facebook page និង Subscribe YouTube Channel CNG TV Cambodia